3 wrestlers from the Shamrock Wrestling Club in the Section 4 region of New York State have earned a chance to compete for a place on the Junior World Team with strong performances at the FILA Junior Greco-Roman Nationals held in Las Vegas last month. Waverly's Jesse Carling, 5th in Division II of New York State this year, finished 3rd at 138 pounds. Whitney Point's Donnie Vinson, 2nd in Division I at the 145-pound weight class in New York State this year, took 2nd in the 145-pound weight class out in Las Vegas. Lansing's Kyle Dake, 2nd in Division II at 130 pounds in New York State, dominated the competition in the 132-pound class. Dake went 4-0 and only yielded 1 point in the tournament on his way to a first-place finish in the #1 seed in the World Team Trials. The World Team Trials are at the Olympic Training Center in Colorado Springs, May 18th through the 25th. Carling and Vinson have declined the invitation so they can focus on the National Junior Tournament in Fargo, North Dakota this summer.
I decided not to participate out in Colorado so I can focus my main goal on becoming a national champ, both freestyle and Greco out in Fargo, North Dakota.
Since Kyle Dake's the #1 seed, he'll await the winner of a mini-tournament, whom he will then wrestle in a best-of-3 series for a spot on the Junior World Team.
Colorado, there's a mini-tournament, and the winner of the mini-tournament wrestles me, and we go best 2 out of 3 matches, so I just got to win 2 matches, and I'll go to Istanbul.
The Junior World Team will represent the United States in the Junior World Championships July 29th through August 8th in Istanbul, Turkey. The FILA Junior Nationals featured wrestlers ages 17 to 20 and included many of the nation's best high school wrestlers and many college underclassmen.
The competition was a little bit harder. It was ages 17 to 20. Some of the kids were in college, working out at the Olympic Training Center, and one of the kids is the Greco Wrestler of the Year.
Dake's looking forward to the challenge and realizes this is a step towards the goal of one day wrestling in the Olympics.
It's huge. It's awesome. I want to compete in the Olympics in 4 years or something, and that'd be fun and keep my Greco career going. So I'm trying to train harder and get stronger and better just so I can go out to Worlds and compete at Istanbul, Turkey.
We here at Hometown Sports wish Kyle the best of luck.